Hi, I'm Des.
And I'm Rutledge, and you're watching the CMS Broadcast.
Today is February 12th, 2026. Saturday is Valentine's Day, but it's also Oregon's birthday. Oregon became a state on February 14th, 1859, which makes our state 167 years old. Happy birthday, Oregon.
Do you have a secret Valentine?
No. Anyway, it's on to the character of the week. Here it is. Pluto from Mickey Mouse.
I love Pluto.
Well, it's time for the joke of the week. What kind of flowers do you never give on Valentine's Day?
What?
Cauliflowers.
Ugh, I hate those things. Anyways, we are going to have whole grain corn dogs for lunch today. And congratulations to Tug Frost for getting 6th place in the statewide wrestling tournament on January 31st. That's an amazing accomplishment, Tug. Well done. And a reminder for student council members to submit field trip forms to Mr. Salzman or Mrs. Collins.
Now it's time for Pet Corner. Today's submission is from Mrs. Bauer. Amy is a 9-year-old brown boxer who was adopted as a rescue when she was 1. Chaz is a black 3-year-old boxer that the Bauer family purchased as a puppy. He was actually returned to the breeder because he had too much energy. Miss Bauer shared that boxers are full of energy except when they are sleeping 80% of the day. Mac, the little one, he is their 2-year-old pug who was also adopted as a puppy. Mac may be small, but he is mighty. He rules the house. You can see it in his eyes. Pugs are the laziest dogs. They love to sleep all day and get very excited when company comes over. A big thank you to Mrs. Bauer for sharing photos and information about your adorable 4-legged family members.
We have a 4-day weekend this weekend in recognition of President's Day. This means that we will have school next Friday, February 20th. Despite being commonly called President's Day to honor both Washington and Lincoln, the federal holiday is still designated as Washington's birthday, originally celebrated on his actual birthday, February 22nd. It was moved to the third Monday in February 1971 to create a 3-day weekend. And for those of you who bought a candygram, they will be delivered during 4th period today.
The number of players in the school-wide air hockey tournament is down to 4. Congratulations to Cheyenne Mays Collins, Farron Bolton, Gwen Foster, and me for qualifying to the semifinals of the annual CMS Air Hockey Tournament. Today, there's a home basketball game. Be sure you have a note if you plan on staying after to watch the game.
Speaking of basketball, we have an interesting interview with Trey Welly to watch today.
Let's get to it then.
Hello, it's me, Gabe, Johnson, and Jace.
Hi.
And today we'll be interviewing an 8th grader, Trey Welly. And to start off the question, what's your favorite class and what do you like about it?
Miss Elliott's exploratory class because she takes us on walks.
What's your favorite talent that you're really good at?
Riding dirt bikes.
What do you do for fun outside of school?
Riding dirt bikes.
What's your favorite hobby?
Riding dirt bikes.
Okay, and for one of the last questions, what do you hope to improve upon throughout this school year?
Getting better grades.
Back to studio.
What an interesting interview indeed. He really likes riding dirt bikes.
Fun fact, February is known for being the shortest month, named for a Roman purification ritual, and is unique as the only month that can pass without a full moon.
And that's all for the CMS Broadcast.
Bye!